Listen and practice.
Mary's bike riding adventure. Meet Mary, a happy girl excited to learn to ride a bike. Mary's friend, Sam, said, "Let's learn together." Mary smiled and said, "Yes, please." Sam showed Mary the bike and said, "This is the seat." Mary touched it and said, "Seat, got it." Sam pointed, "These are the pedals." Mary nodded, "Pedals, I see." Sam explained, "Hold the handlebars, like this." Mary copied, "Handlebars, okay." Sam held the back and said, "Now, try to pedal." Mary pedaled slowly, pedal, pedal. She wobbled a bit but laughed, "This is fun." Sam cheered, "You're doing great." Mary practiced turning left and right. Sam said, "Balance is important." Mary tried to balance and giggled. She fell once, but Sam helped her up. Mary said, "Oops, I'll try again." Sam smiled, "Never give up, Mary." Mary pedaled more, gaining confidence. She shouted, "Look, no hands." Sam clapped, "Wow, Mary, you're awesome." Mary beamed, "I'm a bike rider now." They rode around, exploring with joy. Mary waved to neighbors, "Hi." Everyone cheered for Mary's bike ride. Sam said, "You did it, Mary." Mary replied, "Thanks, Sam, for teaching me." As the sun set, Mary rode home, proud and happy. Question 1. What is Mary excited to learn in the story? A. Cooking. B. Riding a bike. C. Painting. D. Playing soccer.
Time's over.
Question 2. Who helps Mary learn to ride a bike? A. Emma. B. Sam. C. Jake. D. Lily.
Time's over.
Question 3. What is the first thing Sam shows Mary about the bike? A. Pedals. B. Handlebars. C. Seat. D. Wheels.
Time's over.
What advice does Sam give about balance? A. It's fun. B. It's difficult. C. It's easy. D. It's important.
Time's over.
How does Mary react when she falls off the bike? A. She cries. B. She laughs. C. She gets angry. D. She gives up.
Time's over.
Do not forget to subscribe.